Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so yeah, let's go over today what ended up happening here. Beautiful day. Yeah, let's go over it. So 1 second here. I'm gonna tell the team members we're on live and pull up the other chats. So yeah, 1 second here. Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. Alright, so gonna pull up this chat here, and then 1 second. Let's see, that's perfect. Alright. 1 second, pulling up all the other chats here as well. Got that pulled up. Gonna tell the team we're on live now, so 1 second. TikTok. Live now. Hold on. That's everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. So yeah, Tesla Part 2 ended up doing exactly what I needed to do. As you can see, yes, we did have this nice clear down, no consolidation. This is what needed to be broken in order for us to go to this upside. As you can see, yeah, we end up having a nice little break above this top wall, top level. We went straight into this empty space here. First and that final target ended up hitting was a beautiful move. I can also see, so yeah, and we ended up catching this morning too, as well. But beautiful move. You can see what happened here today. So that was just this morning, and then yeah, we finally ended up touching those TPs. So IWM was also beautiful as well. So we'll go over it. Yo, bro, thanks for the set. Yo, Fireman, keep up the great work, bro. So yeah, little beautiful move there. We had a nice candle body close. We honestly closed in that 30-minute as well. So that was a nice little 30-minute close. We end up getting that continuation, going straight into that upside there. As for now, what I can see here is this. Hold on. Let's see. And yes, guys and gals, they banned my other live stream. So I was streaming with my face earlier, but yeah, they gave me the ban. So we're back to this for right now until we can figure that out. So yeah, no worries. So yeah, as of right now, there is some empty space above us. Hold on, let's see. So I will say, yeah, we got this. What? Remove that. So I can see next is, yeah, we got empty space here. We got this nice little gap down, no consolidation. Clear little gap. This is what I would love to take to the upside if we can get it. As you can see, yes, we're close to it, but will I be taking this? Probably not. Nothing that I'm going to take there. So that play already ended up smacking. We ended up doing very well on it. Gave us a new entry. Boom, smacked it. So yes, thought process, empty space. Had a nice little potter box there. We broke through. Ended up going into the empty space there. So that is on Tesla. We'll keep on going though. Let's look at the Qs. I will say, QQ looks pretty good. Actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. What I can easily say here is this. Yeah, we get this nice break above this, what, 596 area. It doesn't look too bad. We do have empty space above us if we can get this nice continuation. As you can see, yeah, we're inside of this box here, so I'm not gonna say anything personally. I don't know if I even want to take it, just because Tesla did very good. Yo, Michael, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the likes. Really appreciate it. All right, so as of right now, we do got that clear gap, no consolidation. So all of these red candles, this is what I would like to this upside. Do want to see that 596 break, but personally, I don't know if I even want to take it. Just because Tesla did great and we hit that, what, first and also that final TP as well. So it was really nice. Really nice. So beautiful trade. I think we might get it though. So we're still inside that box. We got to see how things play out. All right, so let's see here. 1 second. Well, I do want to pull up a couple other trades when I'm looking at end of day as well. Just give me 1 second. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. Give me 1 second here. All right. All right. Hold on, I'm pulling up all the other charts here. All these trades. Cool. Yo, what's up, Michael? Yeah, I got you. No worries. So, QQ waiting on that. Tesla. We end up hitting those TPs there. Beautiful, beautiful trade. You can see in the gains page what we ended up doing, even with a small account. Can make a light bill in a few minutes with Put Bros. So one member made a couple little trades there. Actually, yeah, one trade hits. Cool. If one trade doesn't hit, that's also fine. Easy, simple targets. Obviously, this was just this morning, but now both of those targets ended up hitting, and you can see this morning. Hold on, give me 1 second. Well, let's see here. It's up here somewhere. So we'll see. Let's take a look here. Let's see. 1 second. So boom, you could even see they didn't get to post it, but Tesla call, that was literally just this morning. You can see another one there. Made 5K there. So yeah, it was a little beautiful move. Then gave us another chance. All right, anyways. BSX, I'm gonna take this off too as well. Take that away since I don't like that song. Let's see, CNC. What's different with puts versus futures? So, okay, I think you meant, yeah, so options and futures, the difference is, so options, there is time decay, so if you get into a play, you have a little bit of time decay, but it does allow you to give you a little risk to higher reward. Futures, I will say, I do like futures because I can get into a play and not worry about my contracts getting ruined by like data, things of that sort. So for futures, let's just say if I get into a play, I can hold it for pretty much forever, but it's just a little bit more volatile, I would say. Like, in other words, futures is a little bit more faster for sure. I personally like options though. We would just wait for those clear moves, and if we get them, cool. If we don't get them, that's fine. You can see beautiful Tesla play, clear gap down, no consolidation. Obviously, we're on a 1 hour. We end up breaking above, going into the empty space, hitting both of those TPs. Obviously, yeah, if one trade doesn't work, cool, I'll stop out, get into a new play. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. Let's see here. TNYA, okay, cool. We'll take a look there. So CNC, I actually do like this. We still have empty space above us. We shall see how this plays out end of day. So empty space there. Yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. How did we go? Boss man, look, they literally just banned my live stream. And it wasn't even TikTok they banned it. It was Streamlabs, because I was using Streamlabs. But yeah, I don't know. I tried to go back on because I was going to use the face stream again. But yeah, they just said my live is revoked. So we're here right now. So yeah, we had a nice little setup though. It was cool. But yeah, I'll get it back. And I didn't even tell anyone to even join the free Discord. I didn't even say any of that, which was crazy. All right, so actually, yeah, this doesn't look bad. We'll take a look here. So as of right now, TNYA. Okay, we'll see. All good, no worries. I mean, if they banned me for a reason, it's fine. I understand if they did for a reason, because maybe they don't want anyone else, you know, taking these kind of trades. So Tesla, like, one member made what, 5K today from that little Tesla play. See at Put Brothers. This is literally just today. But yeah, it's cool. All good. All right, TYNA. Thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. We got this nice little gap here above us. Looks pretty nice. If we can get this nice break here. You said little Tesla. Yo, Glock and Shannon live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we get this nice break above. We got empty space above us up to this 284. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. I don't know what the contracts look like on this, so I will be honest. I would have to check them, of course. As you can see, yeah, we got this empty space that doesn't look too bad. What is this? Clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this upside. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, exactly what we like. And that's just what I'm seeing. That's, you know, something I wouldn't mind if the contracts look good. And yeah, just remember not telling anyone to do anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing on TNYA. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. All right, so we'll keep on going. IWM, let's take a look here. Tesla, beautiful trade. As you can see, this was a one from this morning that gave us 2 opportunities. Let's see. So Tesla, boom. Clear gap down, no consolidation. You can see I called this out right before market even opened. Right before market opened, we end up getting in. We had a nice little play there. You can see a few of the members ended up getting in there. It's somewhere here. But yeah, you can also see in the gains page here what we did. Not even just today. You can also see the day before this, the day before that. What ended up happening. See SPY. So each trade is literally the same. So this was that SPY trade we got in. I think this was yesterday, or the day before. Clear gap up, no consolidation. We end up breaking down below. You see what a few of the other members did there as well. So yeah, we wait for those setups. We wait for those trades. I could care less if I lose on a few of those because there will be more entries. Even the day before that, QQQ. We called it, dude. Yeah, and we gave this one on the last live too. Maybe that's why they banned me. That's probably the reason, I would say. And I'm actually gonna post my live stream if I'll get it. But yeah, we had this clear gap down. I knew what I wanted. We had this nice break above. We end up getting in, and not just, you know, one member hit it, but a couple members end up hitting it too as well. So let's see here. So this was boom. Maybe I got out too early, but I'll take $760 in 5 minutes. You can also see, love it. 211% there. You can also see more different members at Put Brothers. Tesla, one person made 5K just off of that little trade that we ended up calling out this morning. And you can see when I called it out, what I was looking for, we ended up having it. Gave a beautiful opportunity twice. And not just that little Tesla play, but you can see the day before that, day before this, premium eating good. I just wanted to share with you all, thanks to this team. I've been enjoying profits since last week. Blessings to everyone. Thank you, Mr. Lee. So yes, my name's Lee, for this move. And thanks for the rest of the team. So Glock, Rugged, all the members there. So yeah, crazy week that we ended up having. Now, personally, I'm just going to wait for those end of day swings. All right, so Tesla, we did that. CNC, we did that. TNYA, IWM. Yo, Peyton, what's up, bro? Can I look at UPS? Hold on. Yeah, I'll look at that, UPS. And also, we could take a look at so we got to go over IWM and NUKK. Okay, cool. All right, perfect. Yo, Kenny, what's up? ORCO. Okay, cool. We'll take a look there as well. We shall see. We shall see. All right, so he said don't swing the Qs. There's better things. Absolutely. All right, so actually ORCL looks really good now. Looks like we're heading towards that empty space, isn't it? What I can see is, yeah. So we closed on this 4 hour. I do want to see how this next candle will react. We still have this empty space, which looks good, right? So clear as day, empty space right under us. Do want to see if we can potentially finish this move. So we did end up breaking under this box here. If we can finish this move, I do want to see that, what, 241. That's, you know, what I can see. That doesn't look too bad. So and first will be that 265. But if we do go back into this wall here, that's if we could potentially see this upside there. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, please do your own research. All right, cool. So that is on ORCL. 1 second here. I'm still trying to figure out why they took my stream away, because I didn't get a notification on TikTok. So I think it was that third party. 1 second here though. All right, cool. Yo, what's up everyone? UNH and IWM. Okay, so we'll go over UNH and IWM after this. Okay, we gotta go over those. UNH. Okay, so for IWM, beautiful little trade here. We end up getting this nice break this morning into this empty space. Boom. We ended up going there, touching that first in the final. What I'm looking at here next, and you know, I probably won't swing this, I will be honest, even if we do get the entry here. But what I can see here, and even if it does want to hit, so looking at a few other things, but yeah, we do got this clear gap down, no consolidation here, so clear as day. Clear little gap, as you can see. What looks good to me is, yes, we do have this nice potter box that needs to be broken. Obviously could take some of that 242.09, but yeah, that 242.56 is what I'm looking for to break, to go into that empty space above us. I get it, not the, you know, craziest move, but still nice little pocket that I can easily see. And yes, I see more empty space there as well. All right, so we did ORCO. We got to do NUKK. All right, cool. And then UNH. All right, perfect. And then UPS. Okay. So yeah, as of right now, yes, each trade in our Discord exactly the same. You can see what we did here today. Well, that's not today, but this was this week. But yeah, you can scroll through the games page and see what we did there. Let's take a look. So NUKK looks like, so this is my original wall here. Are weekend swings considered riskier than overnight swings? I wouldn't say that, but if there's like a news, something like some crazy news that will happen over the week, then yeah, that will definitely affect the market for sure. For me at least, yeah, I'll definitely have a swing, and yeah, if it hits, start of a great week, especially if all the targets can hit, or, you know, if it does end up missing, it'll just be a lot smaller for me for sure. So it won't even hurt me for sure if it doesn't want to end up hitting. But I will say, if it's a good play, if it's a good move, then yeah, I definitely will take it for sure. So I see like a few good ones. Obviously, there's already one I'm in, a few, but we shall see how those play out. All right, so as of right now, in UKK, so I just like the 24-hour. I don't really like anything else. Looks like we created another box here that we would have to break above, and that is this 634 up to this empty space. That's what I'm seeing. Personally, I probably won't take that though. All right, so let's see here. Let's look at UNH. Okay, so yeah, let's go to a lower time frame. So I'm pretty sure we did this on a 4-hour. All right, so yeah, there's a box below us and above us. As you can see, it looks like we tried to tap into this as well. All right, so let's see. Do you off live trading access in your Discord? So look at Meta. Yo, Jose, what's up, bro? Good to see you, bro. So yes, we do have that inside of the VIP, but not the free chat. And if you're asking about my live stream, yes, I just got it banned. So they just banned me. Maybe I think they banned me because of the Tesla trade that I gave. So this was the one I gave on live. We end up getting that break. We hit all of those targets, and you can see also a few of the members ended up catching this trade today. Shout out to my guys. Tesla, one person made what, 5,000 from this trade here. Another person, 211% there. Another person, maybe I got out too early, but I'll take 760 in 5 minutes. This, and yeah, we call out all these trades every single day. So maybe they banned me for that reason. I don't know, or who knows. But yeah, hopefully, yeah, we're working on getting that back. Yo, okay, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So yeah, what I see here, clear gap up, no consolidation. This will be that next move that, you know, doesn't look terrible. Clear gap up. What I can see here is, yeah, we got a nice little Potter box that needs to be broken. Nice little bottom wall, this 332 area. And yeah, what I can see here is we're in, so this is basically 2 boxes here. But yeah, for that 332 break, or we get above that 358. And there is that empty space above that I'm also looking to finish, so it doesn't look bad. Yo, Joseph, thanks for the follow, bro. Really appreciate it. Tina, what's up? Yo, Digital, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, this is a Potter box right now. Potter early box. That's so funny. All right, so that is on UNH. IWM, we did that. So yeah, doing over that 242 in that 1 hour. That's what I'm seeing there. Also, we'll keep on going. Let's see. MSFT and SPX. Perfect. We shall do it. And then yeah, after this we will be going over some end of day swings that I'm looking forward to as well. Oh yeah, do it. I gotta pull up Meta too. I got you. All right, so SPX, Meta, perfect. So Microsoft, I will say, I'm still waiting on this. Buyers ended up taking this control here. As you can see, yeah, we did have this, or we still have this clear gap up, right? Clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I'm looking forward to this downside. And yes, I do see another move here, so give me 1 second. So there's another move here that I'm seeing that I may be late for, but it's okay. Nice break up there. So we got this empty space above us. So if we can get this continuation, that's what I can see. Does look bad. Honestly, I was looking at this downside, but yeah, it looks like we want to just tap into these targets up to this upside here. So pretty much that same exact play, how we just caught Tesla. You can see Tesla, I called this out at 926. You can see today, this was before market open. I think I was on live when I was typing this. IWM, QQQ, and Tesla, keep an eye on those. So I always post what I'm looking at. Obviously, BA looks too strong, so I missed out on that. But yes, I posted the play right before market opened, and we end up getting in. That's it. And that trade ended up hitting. So, little beautiful entry that we end up getting into. You can see Tesla, this was in the VIP chat as well. Marvel got out early, 765 minutes, 211% there. One member made, what, 5K just in that little trade. You can see at Put Brothers, so that was that Tesla play, 5K. And you can see this was right in the morning. Obviously gave us a new entry, gave us a new little play, so was great. All right, so let's see what make you. So I think, yeah, we had a lot of news today. Yo, Electrician, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So yeah, we'll take a look at Meta. We looked at Microsoft. Looks like we're trying to go there. Hold on, let's pull up the queues really quickly. Give me a second. I think the queues may be close. So yeah, the queues are pretty close. I personally won't answer to that since it's almost end of day. All right, so Meta, we'll take a look here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat, the VIP chat as well. Everything is literally in the bio. You can even join just the free chat and see what we do here. You can ask the members. You can talk to the team. And yeah, you can also see what other members ended up doing today. Nike just paid me for buying their shoes. This is all just today. All right, so let's see. Yo, Leah, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. Do you use the 4-hour? So yeah, I use the 24-hour charts. I use the weekly, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, 2-hour, and then I have entries on a lower time frame. That's just how I do it. So yeah, back and forth from EST and PST. So yeah, NC and LA are both my homes. All right, so let's see here. All right, did not mean to turn that off. My bad, my bad. So Meta, yeah, I will be honest. We might have to break this down in a lower time frame just to see if there's anything that looks decent. Hold on. I want to say Meta. Hold on one sec. I gotta take this. I gotta put this password in. Give me a second. All right, one second here. 1 second. One sec. All right, cool. So on Meta, I will say, do you have any runners on Tesla left? No, I'm done with that trade. We did great on it. I took my money, I ran. That's it. And you know, hopefully the members did too. So I told the team, I was like, final TP ended up hitting. Please exit this trade. I told the team members when to get in. Told them it was valid. We just needed that close. You can see where we were. Obviously, this is for that second chance. And we end up smacking both of those TPs. So I told the team, please exit. That means I'm done. Obviously, could it continue? Could it go up? It definitely could. But I'll be honest, I don't care about it. But yeah, I mean, yeah, there will be times where, you know, my final target hits and it keeps running. But it's all good. As long as my targets can hit, I'll be satisfied. Grateful for, you know, what the Lord gave me. That's it. And we'll look for the next trade, pretty much. So yeah, as you can see here, what I'm looking at is, yes, we do have this nice clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this upside if we can break above this 754. So up to that 760. Yeah, so that doesn't look too bad. I get it. We're building more structure here. Could end up taking this little gap, but that's what I'm seeing, which doesn't look bad. All right, so yeah, 1 second here. I'm going to get me some more water, guys. So yes, I will be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, you don't have to at all. If you're at day 0 of trading for the first time, what's the #1 thing to know? Okay, after I answer this question, I'll get some water. But if I was completely new, the first thing that I would want to know is how to use those brokers. I would paper trade first. And yes, just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice, of course. This is just what I did. Obviously, you know, there could be a better way, of course, but for me, just try to learn how to use those brokers, learn how to paper trade, place the orders, things of that sort, and then pick a strategy. So stick to one strategy. Doesn't matter what it is. I just don't like having so many things on my mind at one time. Personally, I just use the POTTERBOX. That's it. Every, play in my Discord, this is literally all that I use. How we were able to, catch some of these trades. 211%. One member, maybe I got out early. 760 bucks. One member made 5K. This is all from the box and the lines. And yes, we ended up calling this trade out literally just this morning. We had a beautiful entry on it. Gave us 2 opportunities on it. And yeah, the rest is history. Y'all see what a few of the other members did there as well. So yeah, each trade is going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything. I'm here if I lose. I'm here if I win, of course. But yeah, no shame about it. And also, I do so I will say, once a lot of people, do day trading, they want to get in and then get out of trades in the next 5 seconds. I get that. So try to hold to your targets. Even if you have to start, very, very small, trying to hit those targets is a very, very important thing for sure. All right, so yes, I'll be right back, guys and gals. Gonna get me some water. I'll be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio, the free chat, and the VIP. Join the free chat, see what the game space look like, talk to the members. But yeah, 1 second here. I shall be right back here. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. Let's get straight to it. Yo, already, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. What are your thoughts on the predictions about 10-year SPY being 0? I mean, 10 years from now, I'll be honest, I'm not sure. We could end up, obviously staying stronger. That's, what I could see, but who knows? We'll just have to see. Coin is coming, so I thought you were back already. What do you think about SPY calls hold until next week? SPY? We'll take a look there. SPY and then coin. We got to go over SPX. We got to go over UPS. So 1 second here. All right, 1 second. All right, so UPS. Let's go over this first, and let's take a look here. Yo, Jose, what's up, man? Did you miss? Oh, you missed it? Oh, yeah, I can go back over that again. No worries. But yeah, UPS, I'm still waiting on this one. I do want to see that 88.98 break in order for me to go to this upside here. It looks good, looks decent. We're just missing this little move up. So looking for that nice little break. If we can get that, doesn't look too bad. All right, so that is there. So that is on UPS. Now on STZ, we'll take a look at Meta too as well. So 1 second, we'll look at Meta again. All right, so yeah, Meta, personally, I get it. We do have empty space here. We still need this to be considered a box. Obviously, I like this little bigger move above this 754. If we can get that break. I'm not saying we will, but yeah, do want to see if we can get that nice break above. So we can go into that upside above us. So I want to see that nice clear little break above that 754 area. And if we can, yeah, it looks pretty decent, looks pretty good. Alright, so that is on there. You said, wait, I went for it. Yo, Yusef, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, bro. Hold on. I actually didn't go over Spy yet, so you're good, bro. Yo, Animations, what's up? Thanks for being here. So yeah, Spy, I will say we ended up hitting the first and that final TP. Obviously, this happened, what, pre-market, I believe? So yeah, ended up happening. We hit that first TP. What I can see here next on Spy is, hold on. Let's see, maybe I can go to a higher time frame. Or, actually I need to go to a lower one. 2 hour. Alright, so in order for us to, so I get it, we're on a little 2 hour time frame. This is nothing, this is not like a big crazy move, of course. What I can see is, yes, we do have empty space that is above us. So if we can get this continuation, this break, do want to see, yeah, if we can go up to this upside. So looks really good. Clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I want to the upside here, if we can get that 661 break. So that's just what I'm seeing, which doesn't look too bad. So yeah, not too bad at all. So right now we're still inside of this spotter box, inside of consolidation. And if I'm in consolidation, I don't want to take a trade unless it's punching back. Alright, so just like all of the other plays, like we're in the box, no trade, we end up getting in. Obviously that first and that final target ended up hitting. It was a beautiful day at Put Brothers. One member made, what, just 5K just off this little plate there. Love it. 211% there. Maybe I got out too early, so this was all today. But boom, yeah. And that's it. We end up getting in. We end up getting out. Gave us another opportunity, another chance. Shout out to all the other members. They ended up catching it too. And yeah, I gave this one in my live chat, in my last live stream. We ended up getting that nice close above. We ended up targeting to the upside there. So those trades worked out. Obviously, if one doesn't work, that's fine. But yeah, we look for those same opportunities. Even with a small account, can make a light bill in a few minutes with Put Bros. so yeah, shout out to the ladies as well. And yeah, we just wait for the trades and that's it. Hey, if you don't mind, check your messages whenever. Yeah, so no worries. I'll try my best to check all the DMs. So if anyone has any DMs, I'll check them after the live stream for sure. All right, so that was there. That was on Spy. And yeah, each trade is literally the same. You can see how we call trades out. You can see I was literally spamming the chat about Tesla. You can see where we were. Boom, where we were just today. So this is our second chance try. Told them the move can still happen, moving very slow. If you're in, please use the box as stop loss. So I was pretty much walking the members through. Please keep stop loss set up in Tesla. Careful on Tesla coming close to first TP. Tesla first TP hit. This was at around what, an hour or so ago, and then that final ended up hitting. Please exit. So yeah, we get in, stop loss in that box, we get out, and yeah, that's it. So no doubt about it. And not just today, obviously I get it. What'd you do yesterday? What'd you do the day before? So yesterday, this was yesterday. So yesterday, yeah, we had some SPY. Clear gap up, we end up getting that nice break below. And yeah, we wait for those trades. We come up with a plan. See SPY put, shout out to Fabby. But I am out. Have a blessed day, everyone. So now just looking for those end of day swings and see what we can do here. And the day before, what did we do there? The day before that, we caught the Qs. Before the after. I just wanted to share with you. Thanks to this team, already started enjoying the profits since last week. Truly appreciate this teamwork. Blessings to everyone. Thank you, Mr. Lee. So yes, I'm Lee. For this move and the rest of the team for your contribution. And boom. So that's it. That's all that I'm looking for. SPY, Looks like the same as what? Tesla. Personally, we're in the box. I'm not going to touch it unless if we can get outside this box here and go into this empty space. So that looks good. I do want to see how Ford will look at. So I am looking at Ford. End of day, we'll see. We do got this nice clear move down, no consolidation. We get this nice break above. We got this empty space above us. So up to that 1421 doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. All these trades are going to be, you know, exactly the same. So maybe we'll see how this ends up playing out here as well. So Ford doesn't look too bad. Microsoft, so yeah, a couple trades doesn't look too bad here. So we shall see. ORCO doesn't look bad either, so we shall see how these end up playing out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right with the end of day swings. If you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, you don't have to. But yes, link is in the bio for the free chat with the VIP. I'll be there. But if not, no worries. I'll see you all on Sunday for that market prep, as we always do. So yes, thank you all so much. Another great week inside the Discord. Looking forward to another great week next week. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one. In Jesus' name, amen.